everyone, this is Chance from Fairview Greenhouses. Today I wanted to talk about sun-loving hanging baskets. Right here next to me we have sun patience. Now sun patience are a really nice basket if we've got 4+ hours of sun during the day. I really like for them to get at least a midday sun, and they don't want to stay too dry. I want to make sure that they get nice and watered pretty much every day, if not every other day, with some fertilizer. Now they have a really lovely bloom on them, and you do get a kaleidoscope of colors from them: whites, oranges, purples, reds, darker purples, the list goes on. We carry essentially every single one of them, so if there's a color you like in the catalog, just let us know. Springtime a lot of times is when we like to go on vacation, and so I do want to have an offer for something that's going to be a little bit more drought tolerant, something that maybe we can go away for a weekend and know that it's going to be alive when we come back. In front of us here is Mizu, really nice pseudo-succulent hanging basket. They get really long tendrils and they have this beautiful red bloom to them in the spring and summer. They can handle quite a bit of water, so don't be afraid to water, but at the same time, if we're away for a couple days, we're going to have a perfectly fine looking basket when we come home. We get a lot of questions here at Fairview about, I have full sun, I have a lot of shade, what basket's really going to work for me? And in a lot of cases, some baskets will work in both spaces. So in front of us here we have dragonwing begonias and waxleaf begonias. So these can actually handle sun to shade, which is a really nice space. Even if we've just moved into our house and we don't really know what that sun is going to track like in front of our house, behind our house, this is a great basket if we want a really big body on it and we want a lot of color all the way through the season. This would be, time and time again, my favorite option for you. A personal favorite of mine and Joanne's, this is Thai Delight Bougainvillea. So this is a really lovely bicolor white and pink, and they just have this amazing bloom to them, as you can see right here. These get enormously large and we want to give them a lot of distance because they do have a pretty strong thorn. But if you can give that thorn a little bit of space, you get a lovely bloom from it. The nice part about Bougainvillea is they have a lot of colors to them, variegations, a lot of yellows, pinks, reds, purples, white, as you can see here. The list goes on. We sell quite a few of different colors. Check them out. Here we have a Petunia basket. I think we all know what a Petunia is, but these are a little bit special. These have an extra large bloom, an extra large body, and they just give you a big show all the way through spring and summer. What I will say about petunias is we don't really want to go away on vacation with these. I want to see them get water about every other day and fertilize them at least once a week. That'll keep them as happy as they are here and make sure that you keep them all the way through summer.